Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the second chapter, integers. So, before starting that, look at this scale. From where it is starting, the measurements are starting from 0. Okay, so after 0 it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it is keeping on increasing in the right hand side. So, we know that the numbers, the numbers from 0, it is called as whole numbers. From 0, from 1 it is called as natural numbers, but when 0 is included you call it as whole numbers. Okay, so in this whole numbers, now we are going to see what is going to be on the left hand side of the 0. We are going to see what is going to be on the left hand side. See, if this is 0, we are going to see the negative integers. That is the numbers with negative signs, that is -1, -2, -3. Whereas on the right side of 0, you will be seeing 1, 2, 3. That means they are +1, +2 and +3 likewise. Okay, that is what they have given. Okay, the numbers to the left of 0 are called as negative numbers or negative integers. Whereas the numbers to the right of 0 are called as positive numbers or positive integers. Okay, so the total set is called as integers and it is denoted by the letter Z. You should draw the number line. Okay, so before drawing this number line, you should write from the points to the remember. At this point, I will say refer page number 36. Okay, refer page 36. Draw this number line, write all the summary points 3, 4, 5. Okay, then coming to this the number line. The number line is nothing but which is showing both horizontal and vertical directions. Okay, now we are going to say number 0 is either positive nor negative. So there is no sign for 0. Okay, include this. And then we already discussed about positive integers and negative integers. So you write this: natural numbers are called as positive integers. Whole numbers are all called as non-negative integers. And the positive and the negative numbers are called as signed numbers. And they are also called as directed numbers. Okay, and this you should write. The number without a sign is considered to be plus. Okay, now this is the number line. We are going to draw a number line and you are going to mark the integers. How are you going to draw the number line? See, you take the scale, you draw this line. Okay, you draw a long horizontal line, mark the arrow. Now for every centimeter, middle line you put 0. See that 6 I am putting 0, and here for every centimeter first mark 1 point. Okay, 1 point on every centimeter marking, and from 0 on the right hand side it is +1, +2, +3. So I am not putting plus, whereas for the negative side it will I will be putting it as like this. So I will be marking this, and here I have to mark the integers 6, whereas 6 plus 6 will be on this side. So this is 6. The next one is -5, -5. Third one is -1. The fourth one is +4. And there is one -7. This is -6 and this is -7. So this is one. This is how you will be marking. Okay. Now how I am going to do this? Try this. Read the numbers orally. So it's +24. This is -13. This is -9 and this is +8. There is no plus, but I will be reading it as +8. Draw a number line and mark the integer. So this is your homework. Okay, what is the homework? 0. You can mark this 0 here. Next, minus 6. Where is this minus 6? Minus 6 is here. Then plus 5. Okay. And then there is one minus 8. So minus 8 should come after this. So this is minus 8. So this is minus 8. Okay. Now are all natural numbers integers? Are all natural numbers integers? Yes. The natural numbers are called as positive integers. Mark this. Natural numbers are called as positive integers. Which part of the integers are not whole numbers? Which part of the integers are not whole numbers? Nothing. Every part of the whole number is an integer. So you cannot take the which will not come as a whole numbers. So you can say which part of the integers are not whole numbers. So from 0 is your whole number. From 0 is your whole number. So your negative integers. So the answer will be negative integers. Negative integers are not whole numbers. How many units should you move to the left of 3 to reach minus 4? So first catch 3. Where is 3? 3 is here. You are going to move right or left. According to the question they are asking left. So left I am going to shift minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my fourth jump. So it will be left and the answer is to reach minus 4. So it is not 4 plus 4. It is you have to go till minus 4. So 5, 6, 7. So this is here. So how many jumps I have jumped? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units. Okay. Now coming to the next topic, opposite. Opposite means what? If it is plus 5, the opposite is minus 5. If it is plus 9, opposite is minus 9. If it is minus 7, your opposite will be plus 7. That is enough. Okay. That is what they are going to mark. Okay. These opposites can be written as the names. The names and all you see. You write this as the number and its opposite. And you can use the life changes like saving, spending, credit, debit, height, above, below. All these are coming under examples for opposites. A gain of 1000, that means plus 1000. 20 degree below 0 degree, so minus 20 degree. 190 BCE, that is after BC, so it is minus 990. If it is AD, it will be plus 90. Then the deposit of 1587 rupees, so it is plus 10 kg below normal weight minus 10 kg. Okay. So that's what we have done. In the number line also we are going to move right or left. That is what in this try these. Your opposite is minus 55. For this it is plus 300. Just change the sign. If there is no sign, it is plus. This is plus 2500. And for 0 you have to leave as it is. Loss of 2000. So minus 2000. 2080 CE. That is, so it is plus 2018. Fishes found 60 meters below sea level, so minus 60 meters. 18 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius, minus 18 degrees Celsius. Gaining 13 points, so plus 13. Jet at a height, so plus 2500 meters. You have 2 basement floors in a building. Okay, ground floor is denoted as 0, so your basement will be minus 2. Okay, and how are we going to order? Order means what? How are we going to arrange? Predecessor means the previous one, successor means the next one. Okay, so we are going to see the predecessor. The predecessor is 1 less than the number. Predecessor is 1 less than the number. Okay, and successor. Successor is the 1 more than the number. 1 more than the number. Okay, note down this. Okay, then we will be comparing greater than, less than. See, we are going to increase in this direction. So they will be keeping on increasing. இந்த சைடு போகும்போது உங்களுக்கு டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே தான் போகும், இந்த சைடு போகும்போது increase ஆகிட்டே போகும். Accordingly we will be comparing. Okay, so minus 14 and minus 11. Minus 14 is going this side. Okay, so minus 14 is smaller and minus 11 is greater. And arranging according to the ascending order, arranging according to the descending order. And which one is, see in this, try this. Minus 15 less than minus 26. Minus 15 less than minus 26. No. Minus 15 is where? Minus 15 is here. Where is your minus 26? It is still far away. Okay. And which is smaller? Minus 3 or minus 5? Which is smaller? Okay. Minus 5 is smaller. Yeah, because we are going to move from left to right. Okay. That is what you should write. Okay. When we move towards the right, the number line, the numbers become larger. On the other hand, if you don't write this, write these 2 points. Okay. And then you have to write this, and this, try these in page number 26, 29 and in 31. Which is greater, plus 7 or minus 4? It is plus 7. Which is the greatest negative integer? Greatest negative integer is minus 1. Which is the smallest positive integer is plus 1. Okay. Now coming to the exercise 2.1. The potable water available at 100 meter below. So it is minus 100. Swimmer dives 7 feet from the ground into the swimming pool. So it is minus 7 feet. Okay. Minus 46 is to the left of minus 35. Minus 35 will come here. Minus 46 should be on the left hand side. How many integers are between minus 5 to plus 5? So it is 11 integers, and which is neither positive or negative. 0 is neither positive. Coming to true or false. Each of the integers, okay, minus 18, 6, minus 12, 0 is greater than minus 20. Yes, true. Minus 1 is to the right of 0. False. Minus 10 or 10 are at equal distance from 1. No, it is only at equal distance from 0. All negative integers are greater than 0. False. All whole numbers are integers. True. This point you should write it as a summary. In summary also you can write all whole numbers are integers. Or you can write it as at the last. All whole numbers are integers. Okay. Then coming to the markings. So on the number line you have to mark all this. 4, minus 3, 6, minus 1. So you can take a 15 centimeter scale and you can mark it. In the middle you mark 0 and you mark the numbers and you can put a round mark. Okay. And then on a number line, which number is 4 units to the right of minus 7? So if it is minus 7 here, 4 units I am going to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be minus 6, minus 5, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 3. So answer is minus 3. And 5 units to the left of 3. So plus 3 I have. Say this plus 3. I am going to jump 5 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is minus 2. You can write the opposites. Minus 44 plus 19. 0's opposite is 0. Minus 312 is plus 312. 789 is minus 789. Okay. So 15 kilometer east is plus 15. What will be the west? It will be minus 15. Okay. Then we are going to see whether it is true or wrong. This is wrong because there is a jump, there is a missing one. 1 is not there. It's in multiples of 2. Then here, correct. Second one is correct. Integers are correctly marked. Here, third one is wrong. Why? Integer minus 2 is left. See, they are leaving 1 and they are marking. Here, Correct. They are marked at equal distance. Only thing is they are not written the numbers, but they are equally marked. The final one is wrong because it is the negative signs are marked wrongly. It should start from 0. Okay, write all the integers between the given numbers. From 7 and 10 you have 8 and 9. From minus 5 and 4, minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then here, from minus 3 to plus 3, what are the numbers? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. From minus 5 to 0, you have minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. You can put the signs. Minus 7 is less than 8, minus 8 is less than minus 7, minus 999 is greater than minus 1000, minus 111